It is the same numerical based on the formula of R is equal to rho into L by A. Page number is 221 NCERT, question number 6. It is very important. I am reading question for you. Question says a copper wire. Question says a copper wire has diameter 0.5 millimeter and resistivity 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of this wire to make its resistance 10 ohm? How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? Right? First of all, we will write down all the data associated with it. But now I'll write in short term. Diameter is capital D. You have to convert millimeter into meter. You divide it by 1000. Right? So it would be 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Convert this into standard form. Diameter is 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Resistivity rho is given to us. Resistivity is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Length we have to find out. Whereas resistance is given to you 10 ohm. As I have told you, formula for resistance is R is equal to rho into L upon A. You can do this question side by side. First of all, we will calculate area. Now you can apply direct formula of area. Don't write pi r square. Directly write down the formula pi d square by 4. In place of pi, write down 22 by 7. In place of diameter, write 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square by 4. First of all, solve it. Area would be 22 by 7 into 25 into 10 to the power minus 8 by 4. 2 to the 2 11, the 11 into 25, it's 275 by 14 into 10 to the power minus 8. So area is in meter square. It's 275 upon 10 to the power minus 8 meter square. You know the formula for resistance. R is equal to rho into L by A. We have to find out length. If you will take rho and A on the left hand side, you will get R into A by rho. So length, in place of resistance, you can write down 10 ohm. In place of area, you can write down 275 by 14 into 10 to the power minus 8. And in place of resistivity, you can write down 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. Unit of length is meter. Rest are your calculation skills. 2 7 the, 2 5 the, 2 8 the, 2 5 the. We are left with 25 into 275 upon 56. 275 into 25. 275 into 25 multiplied and further divided by 56. Now we are getting 6875 122.76 meter. If you will round it off, you will get 122.8 meter. But this is only the one part, right? Length is 122.8 meter. What we have done is I have calculated area. Further I have substituted all values. But one more thing you got to do in this question, which says how much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled. Diameter is doubled. New diameter is D dash. If D dash is double, it is twice of D. Then what would be the new resistance? Okay. My dear students, you know the formula for resistance, rho into L upon A. This is the second part of this question. This is very important. It is bit typical as well. In place of area, write down pi d square by 4. That 4 will come in numerator. What I have done is, I have written a direct formula of area here. So you know this would be 4 rho L upon pi into 1 by d square. You know this 4 rho L by pi, it is equal to a constant called k. Let it be equal to k. So we have R is equal to k into 1 by d square. If you want to put proportionality symbol here, then it will be resistance is inversely proportional to 1 by d square. Give it as equation number 1. Now according to the question we have d dash is equal to 2d. So new resistance R dash would be 1 by d dash ka whole square. In place of d dash you write down 2d ka whole square. New resistance will be 1 by 4th of the previous resistance. We have two equations with us. Equation number 1 is R is inversely proportional to d square, and equation number 2 is R dash is inversely proportional to 1 by 4 d square. So if you will compare these two, you will get R dash is 1 by 4th of previous one. And you know what was the previous resistance given to us? It was 10 ohm. So write down 10 here. It means the new resistance is 2.5 ohm. Okay, this is a very important numerical, came in board examination in last 20 years nearly 3 to 4 times, right? So practice it very carefully.